Lecture number 30, How to create internal maintenance request notification.
This is lecture number 30. In this lecture video, we will learn that how to create internal maintenance request in plant maintenance. Write transaction code IW21 in command field and press enter button. A new window appears, create PM notification initial screen. Click in notification type field, then press list icon button and choose notification type. You can choose according to your requirement. In this case we will choose Z5 notification type. Double-click on it to assign. Leave notification field blank. The system will assign notification number automatically. You can copy PM notification by using reference of other notification. Now click enter button or press enter key from keyboard. A new window opens, create PM notification. In notification description field, we will enter maintenance request. For example, in QC lab, an air conditioner is not working properly. You can generate maintenance task according to your requirement. If description is longer than 40 characters, you can create long text by clicking on Create Text button. Under the heading of Reference Object, we will enter functional location. Functional location represents the place at which a maintenance task is performed. Enter functional location in this field. Under the heading of Subject, you can write here relevant information regarding the problem, or you can copy notification description and paste into this field. Under the heading of Responsibilities, enter Planner Group. A planner group is a group of employees responsible for planning and processing maintenance tasks in a plant. We will enter Planner Group. You can search it by pressing List button and choose relevant planner group. Double-click to assign it. Now enter Work Center. A work center that is in charge when a maintenance task is performed. In Reported by field, we will enter then name of the person who reported the notification. In Priority field, you can choose according to your requirement. We will choose High Priority. A message appears that do you want to specify new dates? This is because system will set new dates according to priority. Press Yes button. Under the heading of Item, we will enter Object Part. Click on List button and choose Object Part. You can choose according to your customized object list. Please remember, we are entering the data for exemplary and learning purpose. There may be some differences in customization, layout, screen, setting and other stuff in the system that you are using, but transactional and functional procedure will remain similar. Enter damage code, press List button to choose damage code like this. In text field you can describe about damage or paste notification description here. In cause code field, again choose abnormal noise and sound. And paste notification description here as well or according to your maintenance task. Press enter key from keyboard. Check all entries carefully. Now click on green flag to release or put in process this maintenance task. And press Save button to save the transaction. Please remember that, if this maintenance task completed, you will use transaction code IW22 and press black flag to complete the task and save the transaction. After completion of this activity, maintenance task status as all tasks are completed. Great work! You have generated maintenance task request and done complete the task after completion of work. This is the end of this lecture. In lecture number 31, we will learn how to create equipment, in test equipment management.